Welcome back to my bridge construction project. So, or what I've done up to this point is I've cut out these pieces here, which will be used at the ends of the bridge span, and they will be used to thicken up that end of the support, and then we'll place all of that onto the base plate, and then that make a nice little frame. So as you can see, so welcome back to the next part of the bridge construction. Now I should point out, when I say 2mm card, this is like matte material that you use on a painting. It's quite sturdy and perfect for this type of construction. And what I've done is I've cut out these rectangular sections which will go on the end of the span itself, and I'll glue them on. I guess I need to fix that, it's just a little bit too long there, but we'll get that sorted. And then I have a base plate which will go on there like that, and then at the other end it will be similar. So let's just see here, if you can see that, there you go. So that will make it nice and sturdy, and all we have to do now is look at putting the vertical columns and struts. I'm going to put what would represent the top of the girder and also the bottom of the girder, this sort of wide, and I'll give you that information later. I've got an old scale here from when we did drawings manually, and I reckon it'd be a metre wide, and that's about right for that type of section. Yeah, get an idea there. So that would be the flange, a nice sturdy section, top and bottom. So you can see how the bridge is going to come together quite nicely. The next step, as I said, would be to attach these rectangular end portions and the base plate, and then we'll go from there. Now there's a number of ways you can do this with the struts or columns. The way I've done it is I'm going to have to make individual pieces. However, the other way is before you cut this arch out, you can go in and cut the verticals here and here, and then across there to the next one, and so on and so forth, so that you're not going back in and individually measuring and cutting. Do the whole thing. It's a bit more tedious to go in and cut around these, but it might be a preferred way. But that would require numerous little pieces to add in, but it's something to think about and consider when you are doing, if you decide to build a bridge similar to this and it would be your particular design, or as I said, reduce the number of struts and put in diagonal bracing as you would if you were going to engineer the bridge. Anyway, just a thought.